how to block someone on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone you don't like on TikTok. So let's dive right in. Head over to your TikTok app, then go to the search bar on the top right and then search for the person that you want to block, tap on it, and then open up their profile. Now, on the top right, you'll see arrow like option. Go ahead and tap on it, and there you'll find the block option. Tap on it and then confirm the block. And there you go. It's as simple as that to block someone on your TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.